If you like to see how I'm going to transform these little drugstore $5 knockoff Crocs and transform them with glitter like these lovely sparkly Crocs, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today in this video I am going to be adding some glitter to these little purple garden slides, and these are this is like a really pretty deep purple color, and I just got some new glitter in. I got this large glitter shaker from Paper Mart. I did like a little unboxing small haul, and I want to try this out, and I think it's going to be super cute. I did another video using glitter on these Crocs. Just want to see how it kind of holds out. These are going to be for my daughter. She really wanted me to put pink on there, and pink and purple would have been really cute, but I just really want to try this out. I'm going to go ahead and get started, but what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take some of this Glue Masters glue. It's like a super glue basically, and I'm going to put that on the base to try to get this to stay long term, and then from there I'll be using Mod Podge. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start off section by section. Before, if I just kind of put it all over, this glue within seconds like starts to like evaporate. So I think the best way, and you know, I don't want to stick my glove or my finger to it, so I'm going to use like this old pencil and kind of smooth it. And yes, there are holes all over this. I'm going to be careful not to waste too much glue between the holes. So I'm going to go ahead and start here and just kind of dot it on and just kind of take it from there, section by section. Okay, so I'm taking a little area and adding on this like the super glue, and I'm adding the glitter on as quickly as possible because for some reason it starts to evaporate really quickly, because I used to do it in all, just the whole shoe, but it was just scattered. So I found this method to be a little bit better. Now the reason why I'm not taking my glove and spreading it on there is because my glove will completely stick to the shoe, so that's why I'm not doing it that way. So I'm just going to continue and finish adding on this first layer. There it is, you see it. This is the first layer. Now I'm taking my fluffy brush, I'm just brushing away the excess glitter. I already did the other shoe off camera, so I have both shoes ready. Once I dust off all the glitter that's not going to stay and allow it to dry at least 30 to 40 minutes, now I'm taking my Mod Podge and I'm going to add the second layer. I wouldn't do a second layer with the super glue because I think it will just cloud it all up. I did it on the first layer because I feel like it'll make it really stay for a longer period of time. So I'm just shaking this purple on to these shoes, and I think it looks so pretty and so sparkly. I'm starting to feel that the bigger the glitter flakes are, they're actually a little bit more sparkly, or I guess it depends on preference. I have another video that I'm going to be editing pretty soon, and I did chunky glitter, and oh my gosh, I love those shoes. Now I think this purple on purple is really pretty, but I do want to do like a two-tone. So like maybe next time, maybe silver glitter on a purple shoe, or for example maybe pink on a purple shoe. But this is something that's very quick and simple. For you who don't want to deal with charms, you don't want to deal with rhinestones, this is an excellent option for you. This is like super easy to do. All you do is at least let it dry in between each layer. So I'm working on the second shoe now, and once I cover up all this glitter, I'm going to let these dry for at least an hour. You could do 30 minutes if they're drying in front of a fan. This would make an excellent gift for someone. You can wear these on a special occasion, or you know, something that you're just going to wear maybe a couple times. If you plan on wearing these every day, the glitter may flake off. This is like still in testing phase. I made a pair for my mother-in-law, and she said that her glitter is holding up pretty well on hers because I did another previous video. So I'm going to come back when these are dry. Here is the Tri Art liquid glass that I like to use. If you're familiar with my videos, I like to seal my glitter with these. You don't have to. I just feel like that this product does make things look a little sparklier. What I do is I pour it on because it's kind of like liquidy and watery. And I pour it on and I just dab it. This particular sponge brush still had Mod Podge in it, so that's why it looks cakey like that. But don't worry, because Mod Podge does dry clear. So I'm just going to continue to seal the glitter, and I'll allow those to dry like overnight. But a couple hours, I feel like you'll be fine. So I'm doing the second shoe now, and I used a different sponge for this one so it didn't have that cakey look to it. But that's all you have to do, and you could do 2 layers of this if you choose to. Not only is this something fun that you can do for yourself, but this will be a great gift to give someone. I don't think that they will realize that you only paid $5 for them. But when you buy these shoes and they're like $5 or they're like from Five Below, they tend to run very small. So if you get like a 10 or an 11, it's really like a size 9 or 9.5. So just keep that in mind as well. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of these little garden slides that I only paid $4.99 from a drugstore. And I just thought this would be really cool to put some glitter on them that was purple. The purple on purple looks really cute to me. Oh, and off camera, I did go ahead and add on these little horse eye oval type rhinestones. I purchased those horse eye rhinestones from AliExpress, and the circular 20mm gem, I have those. I recently just got those in. I'll be adding those to my website pretty soon. Now, another great thing about these shoes, and well, I want to test it out too. I was thinking, like, how would this hold up if someone wore them and it was wet? I just realized that they do have a Mod Podge. It's called dishwasher safe. So once I see how this holds up, the next option that I could do is use dishwasher safe to seal the glitter. So that would make them, I guess, pretty much waterproof. So also keep that in mind as well. Now that white strip, I could have either went inside of that with a Sharpie maybe to blend it in, but I think the white strip is okay. But if I wanted to put more pizzazz into this, I would probably take some rhinestones and go along. But I'm trying to make these projects quickly as possible because I do plan on donating these. I have quite a bit of these that I purchased for $1. I showed those in another video. And someone told me those are actually called gators. I never knew that they were called gators. I guess because of the way that they're made. But anyway, I hope that this video was helpful to you. I hope you got some cool ideas and possibly try to go ahead and glitter your Crocs. So thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, or share it on Facebook, or send it to someone who may be interested. You can follow me on Instagram if you'd like to. It's at lifeisawholevibe with underscores in between each word. Okay, thanks again, you guys. Bye-bye. Check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10OFF. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers. Also, I do have an entire playlist totally dedicated to Crocs and clog type of shoes. So if you like those type of videos, make sure you check out that playlist as well.